Welcome to Crypto Plus, where we bring you the latest information on cryptos, blockchains, definance, and futuristic investment vehicles. Today is Monday the 10th of January 2022, and some 3 weeks ago we warned you that Bitcoin had reached a double top at $69,000 and that we expected it to fall further together with most other cryptocurrencies. At the time of that video, Bitcoin stood at $49,000, some $20,000 below its all-time high just a few weeks earlier. And we predicted even further falls with the potential to fall below $40,000 and perhaps even falling to the early $30,000s. Well, let's see if we're right. Okay, so the time for recording this is 14:41, that's 20 to 3 in the afternoon UK time, on Monday the 10th of January. And we can see already that cryptocurrency market is down 4%, with the total market cap for cryptocurrencies now well below $2 trillion at $1.87 trillion. But let's have a look at some of the top cryptocurrency performers. As we've mentioned in the introduction, we expected Bitcoin to fall below 40,000, and this it has done. We now have Bitcoin at $39,863. This is a live chart, so it may change slightly as we're going through it. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, that many people thought was going to rise to $5,000 and then $10,000 before the end of 2021. It did in fact reach something close to late 4,000s, but now it's languishing at $2,969. And we can see in both these cases over a 7-day period, Bitcoin is down 14% and Ethereum is down 22%. Another crypto that performed incredibly well in 2021 and predicted to go to, again, potentially $1,000 is Solana, which is now $132 and down almost 25% over the last 7 days. And Cardano, which a very short time ago was over $3.20, is now $1.10 and down 20% over the last 7 days. And Xrp, which again a couple months ago was around $1.23, in fact I think it went to $1.30, is now 71 cents. It's awaiting a court case announcement, and everyone was predicting this is going to $3 or $4 any time soon. Polkadot, which has been much higher than it is now, was $30 only a few days ago even, and it's now $23. The much vaunted, and people are aware, Dogecoin, which at its peak was well over 47 cents, and more recent peak was 33 cents, has been languishing around 25-26 cents, and is now 14. We can see the market is down, and it's down over 7 days. Let's choose Bitcoin because whatever Bitcoin does, in the main, the majority of the market follows. So if we look at the chart on the screen and you look at Bitcoin a month ago, it was at $51,000. When it was $49,000 3 weeks ago, we said, it's about the point we've got on the screen now, it has further to fall. And this is exactly what it has done. So today's fall is not huge in terms of we've picked one day when it's fallen in order to make our point. If we look over a 3-month period, we can see that Bitcoin reached its peak here back in, I think it was October, at $69,000, and it has since just come down. And if we go back for the year, a year ago was around the $30,000 mark, It peaked in April. Then it had a dramatic fall. It then continued to rise, had a fall, reached a new peak, and has since continued to fall. And the problem we have is that all these Bitcoin experts that you see on YouTube and the like are all shouting, it's still a bull market. The market's going to reach record levels in the first 2 months of the new year. Most of those people were claiming that we were going to have not only $100,000 Bitcoin, but $250,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2021. Far from that. And even just a short time ago, here go the pumpers. Top 10 crypto coins to buy in 2022, high growth. 5 top cryptos to buy now in 2021, a month ago. Even Graham Stephan has jumped on the crypto bandwagon. Top 10 cryptocurrencies to invest in for 2022. We'll find out if he is right. Of course, there's plenty of time before that happens. Alex Becker, buying every Alex Becker gaming crypto recommendation. How much Polkadot do you need to become a crypto millionaire in 2022? This market is going to fall. One that there are a few we find quite amusing, and that is when the market was going up, they were pumping the cryptocurrencies. And then when the market starts to fall, they say, the market's fallen, but don't worry, continue to buy. Cryptos are going through the roof. And then when it falls further, it says, we didn't quite expect this, but don't worry. It's just part of a correction in a bull market. And then it falls further. If we take a quick look at BitBoy Crypto, 1.44 million subscribers, who recommended to everyone to buy XRP back in September last year, because he said he had inside information that the court case would be over before December. And in fact, well before December, and would fall into XRP's favour, and kept pumping this nonsense, his secret sauce. But look, most bullish crypto chart that exists 4 days ago. Cardano NFT gold rush. Insane Bitcoin pump coming 4 days ago. Yes, I can see the Bitcoin pump. Look at this. This is the tremendous Bitcoin pump over the last 4 days. Urgent move for Bitcoin. Bitcoin rebound. Secret XRP timeline revealed. Bitcoin insane 6-figure rally. Bitcoin rally over? He does ask that question. And then basically says, no, the rally is not over. 3 projects to the moon. 11 days ago. We've called the high for Bitcoin weeks and weeks ago. And all these experts, yes, they've made money in crypto, but it's not difficult to make money in a bull market. It's more difficult to make it in a bear market. So we ask, why are they constantly pumping these cryptos when they themselves admitted themselves that every 4 years you have a cryptocurrency collapse of 80% or more, and yet once again they're pumping the cryptocurrencies. It is ludicrous. And to be fair to Bitcoin Crypto, and we like their channel, to be fair to them, they're not the only ones. Others have been saying each time it goes up, it's going to the moon. When it goes down, it's just a small correction. Well, we shall see how small a correction it is at the end of January, at the end of February, and at the end of March. Now, in conclusion, we're not saying that crypto prices are just going to collapse from these levels in one sharp go. What we are saying is that we expect the decline to continue. Why? With Goldman Sachs already predicting 4 interest rate rises for the United States in 2022, and other countries across the Western world in particular looking to raising rates if they haven't already done so, as they did in the United Kingdom. We have the Fed governors talking about cutting back its balance sheet size, as well as accelerated tapering of its bond buying program. And we haven't even considered yet potential legislation, which is due to be announced by various governments across the world. Even the Xrp case is going to go on for longer than many expected. And should Xrp fail, We don't think they will. We think there will be a settlement. But should they fail, this will have dire consequences for the crypto market. They'll be heralded, many of them, as securities, which will definitely cause a price plunge. On top of this is the traditional boom and bust every 4 or so years. So for now, we certainly see more downside. And the risk factor, in our view, is greater to the downside than the benefits that may be perceived to the upside. Very long term, yes, Bitcoin seems to have an attractive future. But short term, we're happy to wait on the sidelines, having sold all of our cryptocurrencies about 2 months ago. Let us see who is right in the end. Meanwhile, let us know what you think. But also, please, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like what we're saying. Whichever, at least show us a reaction. Comment below, but most importantly, after you've subscribed, press that bell sign so you're notified of new videos as and when they are published. We won't produce videos every day because, quite frankly, we don't believe in getting caught up in the hyperbolic rhetoric that perhaps most of the other channels seemed to have immersed themselves in.